These two birds have been stood there like that for the past 5 minutes. What they're doing, I've no idea. How strange. Even when I bang on window, they're not bothered. I'm going to open the door, see what they do. Open the door and they're still there. My God, how strange. Hello. I'm walking towards them. They're not even moving, it's like they're frozen. I wonder if they are frozen. Hello. Come on then. I'll walk over to it properly. Hello. Hello. Oh, it's moving its eyes. How strange. I'm right up close to it now. And the other one's still there. Hello. What are you doing? Oh my God, I'm touching it. What's do? What's do with you? Hey? Oh my God, I'm stroking a bird. Oh my God. I think it might be too cold for them. Oh wow. What are they doing? Come on then. This is the strangest thing. Come on then. It's not scared of me at all. Come on then. What do you want? Do you want a worm? This morning I found this little bird and it was really cold outside, so I've put it on top of my pool to warm him up. There was 2 of them and the other one flew away, and now we've got this one. Come on, get on my hand. It's been on my hand. Come on. Come on, let's see if you're ready to fly away. There you go. It's on my hand. Wow. Let's see if you're warmed up now. You ready to fly away? Come on, Dr. Doolittle. Ready to fly away? Come here, my dressing gown. Found this little bird this morning. It was very cold. So I've picked him up and I brought him inside to warm him up. He's not scared at all. He's really comfortable with me. Come on then. I've got some bird seed. There was 2 of them, but the other one ended up flying away. Hello. Strange, isn't it? Look at this little bird. Just warming him up. I found him outside all cold. So I'm warming him up on my hand in my house. And I'll let him fly away in a minute. I've tried to make him fly away, but he won't. Yeah, lovely, aren't you? Curious little creature.